Okay, I thought I'd take a minute to show you my little welding cart that I made. It's pretty handy. I found this set of wheels underneath at an auction sale, which made it kind of nice. And what I did was I built the cart on top of that. You can see we used 1/4 inch plate on the bottom, and all we did was put a couple bolts onto the cart. On the very bottom, I mounted a couple of 5x3s, and that allows me to put my jitney in case we have to raise it up in the air and do some work up top. It comes equipped with, we equipped it with the number 8 cable, 75 feet of number 8 cable. Plugs into any outlet, so we have 3 different outlets in our particular garage, in my garage. And then we have a couple extra outlets that the cable plugs into it runs 2 others. So we run the ESAB welder, MIG welder. It's actually a MIG and a TIG and all that stick and all that good stuff. And then we have a hypotherm plasma cutter at the same time. We have a 1/2 inch plate on top. All our vice grips, different things that we use all the time, mounted right there. It has individual hooks for holding on to the cable, so we can take the cable and put it wherever we want. You can put our little welding head on top of that. If I just move it around, you can see that it's easily maneuverable. 1/2 inch plate. Has a little balancer here. This is for balancing blades. Another little balancer over here. Little vise to do whatever you need to hold, and the vise swivels any which way you want it to do. It has a safety chain on the side, which is really nice. You just take this off, it all drops apart, and you can load your wire and everything right off the side. The chain's really nice because what it does, it provides some protection for whatever you need. If you happen to be running around and there's equipment around, then the chain just gives it a little added protection. We have some extra wire. Put some of your materials. We've got welding pliers. We've got a hammer. We've got all our tools that we need for the majority of welding. It's made on 4x4 tubing, which is welded to the table, and it's a real simple table. Now to take if you have to go somewhere, it's really nice just to maneuver it. It can maneuver real well. And it also has, just put this around, and you can see it also has some quick disconnects here. Take the chains off that hold your tank in place. So it's really an awesome unit. I just thought I'd mention it. Oh yeah, it also has an air connector for the plasma cutter with a divider here. I got this little divider, and all it does is split it into 2 different ways, so you got an extra air hose. So once you plug in your air hose here, you've got an extra air hose that runs here. You've got another one that runs to your plasma cutter, and it's all done really simple. You just plug your hose in, take your 75 feet of cable, plug it into any outlet that's in the garage, and you're good to go. You welder extraordinaire.